go for the Hall effect setup to find out the Hall coefficient, carrier density and carrier mobility. For that we require the electromagnet, Hall probe and the semiconductor. See, this is your semiconductor of 0.75 mm thickness, and in this setup we are having the Gauss meter supply that we will calibrate first. See, I have calibrated earlier only, but I will show how to calibrate. We have to just move it to the anti-clockwise and make it to 0. So it is 0, that we will leave out. Then we have to just switch on the constant current supply of 5 ampere. This is your constant current supply of 5 ampere and this is for 20 milliampere. So with this supply we will just put the Hall probe to get the Gauss voltage. I have just placed it in between the electromagnets in the form of T section. And if it comes with negative value, you will just turn the probe, that will give you positive. Now see, this will give you the Gauss voltage and this will be the supply of the current. For 0.5, see what we are having. This is your fine knob, and with this fine knob you can go to the 5. It is there, it is 0.5, and with the 0.5 you are having the value as 1.13. Now for the 1. For 1 we are having 2.04. Then for 1.5. For 1.5 we are having 3.05, and then for 2 for 2 we are having 4.02. So I will take till this only. Now for the Hall voltage, I will remove the Gauss and I will probe, and then I will put the semiconductor chip in the T form only. So we will switch on this supply and I will just fix it at 2. So I have fixed it at 2. It is 1.9. It's 2. Now at 2 I am having 195.3 or 0. At 2 ampere supply I am having 194 point, value is something 32. So that I will take. Now 1.5. You have to adjust the coarse and the fine knob to get the desired supply. 1.5, it is 192.7. Then 1. For 1, it is 191.5. Then for 0.5, it is 191.5, 192 something is there which is fluctuating. You will take the value from here only, and then for less than 0.5 also you can take. Suppose I am taking it for 0.18, it is 190 point something. So like this you will take the Gauss voltage and the Hall voltage and you will place the values over here. How to place the value? The current in the Hall effect setup that I have placed at 2 milliampere. From 0.5 to 2 you will write in the current in the constant current power supply. then the Gauss voltage that you have got, and the Hall voltage that you have got. Thickness I have told you it is 0.75 mm, resistivity is 8, and the conductivity will be reciprocal of the resistivity, and then you will calculate the Hall coefficient for each and every value, average it, and then you will give it in the value over here. That Hall coefficient average value will be used to calculate the carrier density of the sample, and then that Hall coefficient value will be used to find out the carrier mobility. So like this you will calculate the 3 parameters, and that will give you 3 different values for RH, N and carrier mobility. So this will finish your Hall effect experiment. Thank you.